In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom JavaScript in Webflow. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard, you want to select one of your sites under all sites over here, click on those three lines next to it or three dots, and then click on where it says settings up top. Now inside settings, go to the bottom left over here where it says custom code. Now for this, you will need basically one of the site plans, so click on over here. In case you don't have a site plans, you can get one for yourself over here, but as you can see, it says custom code, and these three plans, so the basic, CMS, and business, will allow you to get custom code. So it says over here you can add custom code and scripts that apply to your entire site or individual pages. Okay, so in here you'll see two different tabs essentially, and then you'll be able to basically embed JavaScript into your site. It can be added to either the head code section or before the closing body tag. Okay, now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.